We have got some exciting updates that are set to redefine the way we interact with decentralized networks. From innovative governance changes in ICP to the launch of a groundbreaking Bitcoin Layer 2 solution with Bitfinity, there is so much to talk about. So buckle up because we are diving straight into these game-changing developments that could shape the future of crypto as we know it. The introduction of periodic confirmation aims to ensure that only engaged and active participants have a say in ICP governance. From now on, participants will need to vote directly or confirm their following settings regularly to maintain their rewards and voting power. It's a shift toward a more engaged and transparent governance system where inactive participants are less likely to skew decision making. To make this system work, a new data field called voting power refresh timestamp seconds will be introduced for each neuron. This field tracks when a neuron last voted, set a following or confirmed a following. This feature will begin recording activity retroactively from September 1st, 2024, where it allows the system to identify inactive neurons and gradually reduce their influence over time. Two additional fields, deciding voting power and potential voting power, will help participants better understand their influence. The former reflects the actual voting power of active neurons, while the latter shows what the voting power could be if the neuron remained consistently refreshed. This gives participants clearer insight into their role in governance. For users to maintain active participation, they will need to regularly confirm their following or voting preferences. The refresh voting power command will update the voting power refresh timestamp seconds field, ensuring the neuron remains active and eligible for rewards. It's a simple process designed to keep users engaged without creating unnecessary complexity. This initiative is rooted in the desire to address a challenge within the ICP governance model. Previously, inactive neurons, which had set defaults or remained dormant, were diluting the decision-making process. Periodic confirmation helps align rewards with active participation, promoting a more robust and fair governance structure. Now, here is where it gets interesting. If a neuron doesn't take action within 6 months, its voting power will begin to reduce gradually. By the 7th month, its influence will decrease in a linear fashion until it reaches 0. Once the neuron loses its influence, its followees will be reset, effectively removing the neuron's impact on governance. This creates a more dynamic and fair system while encouraging continued engagement from participants. For developers, this change offers an opportunity to create more intuitive user experiences. By integrating notifications or warning systems, they can help users stay informed and ensure they don't lose voting power or rewards due to inactivity. These features can make the transition smoother and prevent disruptions for users. As the system rolls out, starting with the tracking of neuron activity from September 2024, we expect the full functionality to be in place by early 2025. Over the coming months, additional tools like APIs and voting power adjustments will be introduced. This gradual rollout will ensure a smooth implementation, and by March and April 2025, the system will be fully operational. These updates highlight the ongoing innovation within the ICP ecosystem. By incentivizing active governance and discouraging passive participation, ICP is strengthening its decentralized nature. This shift could serve as a model for other decentralized networks, setting a standard for active, engaged governance. So, how does this change affect you as an ICP staker? If you already vote or manage your settings regularly, it's a business as usual. Just ensure you are confirming your preferences or followees. However, if you haven't been active in governance, it's time to take action. Regular participation will ensure your neuron stays active, allowing you to retain your voting power and continue earning rewards. These improvements also represent a collaboration among the ICP community, reflecting the decentralized nature of the decision-making process. The final design incorporates the input of various stakeholders, ensuring that fairness and inclusivity remain central to the governance model. As we approach the full implementation of periodic confirmation, it's clear that ICP is making significant strides toward a more efficient, transparent, and engaged governance structure. This initiative not only improves decision making but also promotes a healthier, more sustainable ecosystem in the long run. Moving on to our next exciting segment, Bitfinity's mainnet has officially gone live, marking a significant milestone in decentralized technology and cross-chain collaboration. Built on the Internet Computer Protocol, Bitfinity is a Bitcoin Layer 2 solution that's designed to bring Ethereum virtual machine compatibility to the Bitcoin network. This groundbreaking development has already begun making waves in the crypto space. Bitfinity aims to allow Bitcoin developers to create decentralized applications that leverage Bitcoin while operating within an Ethereum-compatible ecosystem. It supports Bitcoin ordinals, BRC20 tokens, and EVM assets, making it a key player in the emerging decentralized finance ecosystem on the Bitcoin blockchain. With its low transaction cost and high-speed operations, Bitfinity is set to redefine how Bitcoin can be used in the decentralized world. The project has gained considerable attention, having secured $12 million in funding, including support from major institutional investors like Polychain and Parafi. The launch of Bitfinity's mainnet is just the beginning, as the platform continues to build an interconnected blockchain ecosystem that simplifies the developer experience and improves cross-chain interactions. What sets Bitfinity apart from other platforms is its robust security, powered by a proof-of-stake protocol that uses chain key technology. This ensures that the platform can handle large-scale transactions securely, even those involving Bitcoin's Schnorr and ECDSC signatures. Bitfinity is already setting the stage to host a range of dApps with platforms like Sonic, ChapSwap, Lenfinity, and Omnity Bridge expected to make use of the network's capabilities in the coming months. The integration of Bitcoin with ICP's chain fusion technology makes Bitfinity unique. It allows Bitcoin native assets to operate seamlessly within an Ethereum compatible network, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in cross-chain DeFi applications. Bitfinity's commitment to security, scalability, and usability is reflected in its detailed development process, which has included thorough testing and continuous feedback from the community. The team's dedication to delivering a reliable and efficient platform is clear, and the community's involvement has been integral in shaping the mainnet's development. With such a solid foundation, Bitfinity is now poised to expand and make a significant impact in the decentralized tech space. As the platform continues to gain momentum, the Bitfinity community support will be crucial to its long-term success. It's clear that this launch is only the beginning of what could be a revolutionary shift in how Bitcoin and decentralized technologies interact. That's it for today's updates. Bitfinity's mainnet launch is paving the way for potential breakthroughs, and ICP's new governance system is reshaping decentralized participation. What are your thoughts on these moves? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear your perspective. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss future updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon with more insights from the evolving blockchain and crypto spaces. Stay curious.